Hello everyone, this is Penny. We've received feedback from a few clients regarding a common issue in wire drawing, frequent wire breakage during production. We want to share our technical team's analysis on why this happens and how to resolve it. According to our team, this situation is primarily caused by the following factors. Die wear. During continuous production, the sizing zone of the wire drawing die naturally enlarges due to normal wear and tear. This change in diameter can lead to inconsistencies and breakage. Poor wire rod. Quality issues with the quality of the raw wire rod material are a major cause. If the steel has irregular defects, it creates unpredictable levels of tension as the wire is being drawn and deformed. This sudden stress can easily snap the wire. It's important to note that this problem rarely occurs when high-quality wire rod material is used. Unstable annealing current. If the annealing current is unstable, a sudden surge in electricity can overheat the single wire. This can cause it to be pulled apart or simply be melted by the intense fluctuating current during the annealing process. Solution. The most effective solution is to select the appropriate die configuration based on the specific material of the wire rod you are using. Finding the optimal setup for your materials will require continuous testing and adjustment during the production process. We wish you success in resolving this issue. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions.